Hi, this is Johnny Morrow with Exit Realty, and hopefully I'll be able to help you understand your financing options a little bit better today. First, let's talk about traditional financing. Traditional financing is typically your FHA, your VA, and your conventional financing through a bank, having the bank involved. Typically, the down payment is fairly reasonable, 3.5% to 5%, sometimes 10%. But your credit score does need to be 640 with today's standards. There are some other programs out there with certain banks where you could go probably as low as 550 with other compensating factors. In other words, a higher down payment, a higher interest rate, proof of funds, additional proof of income. Your debt to income ratio has to be a little bit lower. So a lot of other things, a lot of hoops that you would have to jump through with that. Now with seller financing, that's when the seller acts as the bank and develops a mortgage, and the buyer will pay the seller for the property. Now the seller does this because right now it's a tight market, hard for a lot of buyers to get financing with people needing a 640 credit score. So with seller financing, the seller does set the terms. Typically the down payment's higher than traditional financing. It's a minimum of 10% down in most cases, and the interest rate is going to be higher than traditional financing, typically anywhere from 8 to 12%. Now the reason for this is the seller is taking a chance on someone who cannot obtain traditional financing, so those terms are a little bit higher. With seller financing, the person purchasing the home has an opportunity to be a homeowner and has an opportunity over the next few years to either get their credit scores up, or if you're self-employed and you write everything off, well, realize that income for 2 years so that you can qualify for traditional financing and refinance at the lower interest rate. We do put you on a plan and help you with that. Now, going through this, make sure you have a competent realtor who's helping you. The reason being, you do want to make sure that if you're the seller or the buyer, that you're closing with a title company or an attorney who understands owner financing, seller financing. You don't want to close at somebody's kitchen table and hand over 10% of the down payment at that point. You do want to make sure and protect your interest. And make sure that you do have a title search done, maybe even obtain a title policy. So having the professionals help you in that instance will certainly help protect your interest. Now you can call me, Johnny Morrow, at 210-897-2645. I can answer your questions. I've been helping investors and home buyers purchase through owner financing for years. The landscape has changed considerably, but I've kept up with it, and I do have a team ready to help you get your home with seller financing. You can also go to my website, sasellerfinance.com, and peruse some of the homes that are available through owner financing right now. Again, that's only a few of the homes. If you want to see more of them that fit your need, give me a call and we can set up a time where we can tailor to your needs exactly what it is you're looking for. I look forward to speaking with you.